Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2009 Chrysler Sebring and I will show you how to replace and remove the front bumper cover. I have to replace mine. It's cracked right here, so we'll have to fix it, and I will have to change the radiator on this car, so I'll show you the step-by-step how to do it. Okay, to start, open up the hood and we'll start by removing a couple of screws on the top. So there is this one, it's a 10 millimeter, and this one right here, it's also a 10 millimeter. And then we'll have a couple of plastic trim screws to remove. So I did that already, but here is one. One is right here. This one, this one, this one here, and this one here. So I will show you how to remove those plastic trim screws. So there is like a small opening right here, and you can use your flat screwdriver just to like pry it out from all the sides until you can just wiggle it slowly out. And once you remove this plastic insert, this part is gonna come out as well. Yeah. Okay, once you removed the top screws, you can remove the front grille if you want to, but you don't have to. I removed mine because I wanted to inspect the AC condenser, because I'll have to replace it most likely. The AC is not working. If you decide to remove it, there are four clips holding it here, and 2 clips on each side, here and here. The next step would be to remove a couple of screws right here. So it's a 7 millimeter, this one and this one here on the bottom as well, and that has to be done on both sides. Once you have removed those 2 screws I just showed you, there is one more screw going from underneath up into the fender. It's also 7 millimeter, so you will probably need to use an extension to reach it. I'll try to record it, but we'll see if you'll be able to see it or not. So it's just here underneath, so right here, going like this. If you can't reach it, you just have to pull this this plastic piece off and remove the remove this one plastic trim screw as well. If you do that, you'll get more access. You'll be able to move this plastic piece, and then you can reach that screw easier. Yeah. Okay, so this is the screw. It's a 7 millimeter that goes from underneath into the fender, and once you remove that one, the bumper will be completely loose here. And now we have to do the same on the other side. So you also have to remove this one here, and the one that goes up here. Okay, next step would be to remove all the screws from underneath the bumper. So I'll show you right now. You can see all these screws underneath. There is 8 of them, and there is one trim screw here, and the same on the other side. Okay, all of these screws are also 7 millimeter socket. Yeah, easy to remove and shouldn't take you too long. Once all the bottom screws are removed, the bumper will become completely loose and ready to be taken down. So just pull it out here. Okay, now just grab it in the middle and pull it off. Only thing that you still need to do is disconnect the fog lights, so be careful not to pull it all the way. There are 2 fog lights, at least with my bumper. You might have a trim without the fog lights. You can either disconnect the fog light here and pull out this switch, or you can just turn the fog light bulb enter clockwise and remove the bulb completely, and do that on both sides, and the bumper is off. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. That will help me make more similar educational videos.